Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're joining me for this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Waldman Tuscany fountain pen. This pen was sent to me for review by my good friend Bryce over at Luxury Brands. Luxury Brands is a distributor for several brands that we all know and love, such as Platinum, Waldman, Colorverse, and of course Noodler's Ink, Benu, as well as D. Charles Designs leather products. Be sure to check them out at your favorite retailer. Speaking of favorite retailers, make sure you check out my sponsor, Pen Chalet. He's a sponsor of this channel. Make sure you check out Pen Chalet at penchalet.com and check out the show notes below for important checkout information. Now, this pen was sent to me for review, and I'm really excited because I just pulled it out of the shipping box. I have not opened it up. I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know much about this brand, but I'm really excited about it. First and foremost, the box is pretty much a shoebox style box. Just some stickers on the side, and that's probably for retailers. On the top, we have the silver embossed Waldman made in Germany. I don't know if that word is right. Embossed, whatever. It looks really nice right in the center. Nice cardboard box, nice and firm. Shoebox style. We're going to open up the lid. Put that off to the side. And inside, we have looks like a pretend leather box texture. Oh, look at that. It has one of these flappy box type things. Not bad. Nice clamshell case. Very luxurious looking. I like the metal tab on the front with the logo there. It's so shiny and new. I just smeared it up. All right, we're going to open this up and wow, nice. We have the pen inside. A plastic pen sleeve. This is a bold, as you can see. Wow, this is really nice looking. Super crazy shiny. This is like a mirror finish. It's a screw cap. It looks like a number 5 Yovo nib. It's got a spring-loaded clip. Let's see how many rotations it takes to unscrew it. 1 3/4 of a rotation. Wow, this is really, really shiny and pretty looking. Now, this is a stainless steel nib. It's plated in rose gold. It comes with, check that out, guys, comes with a nice free empty ink cartridge. Something shaking. And another ink cartridge. What do you think of that? Great. I hope it has a converter. You guys know how I feel about that. You know, I just bug out if there's no converter. Bryce, I love you, man. There better be a converter in here. Let's check. Maybe it's inside the secret compartment. There's a tab, so let's see what's in there. Come on! Come on! Where's the converter? We got a whole bunch of ink cartridges. We need to get a converter into the unboxing. We also got one of these cards. All right, I'm going to whine and complain. I mean, it's a gorgeous pen. I'm really impressed with the solid feel, the look, the design. It's very businessy. Make sure you guys check out the Pentertainment podcast. We have Bryce on the show, and we talk about Waldman products. Something I'm not very familiar with. But, wow, I'm actually impressed. I can't wait to do a full-blown, extensive, thorough review on this pen. So that was my unboxing for the Waldman Tuscany fountain pen. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well. Be safe.